Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another uplifting video. Today, I'm going to share 6 powerful happiness affirmations that can boost your mood and brighten your day. Ready? Let's dive in. I am deserving of all the happiness and joy in life. Repeat this every morning, and you'll start to believe it deep down. You truly deserve all the happiness. I choose to focus on the positive. Life throws challenges our way, but by focusing on the positives, we can navigate through with grace and a smile. Every day is a fresh start. No matter what happened yesterday, today is a new day filled with endless possibilities. Embrace it fully. I radiate love and happiness. Imagine yourself as a beacon of light, spreading warmth and joy to everyone you meet. It's contagious. I am grateful for the little things. Gratitude can transform the mundane into something magical. Appreciate the small joys and watch your happiness grow. I believe in my ability to create happiness. You hold the power to shape your own happiness. Trust in yourself and your journey. Now, take a deep breath in and out. Feel the positivity filling your mind and body. Whenever you need a mood boost, come back to these affirmations and let them work their magic. Thanks for watching. If these affirmations resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more positivity. Until next time, stay happy and keep shining. I am deserving of all the happiness and joy in life. I choose to focus on the positive. Every day is a fresh start. I radiate love and happiness. I am grateful for the little things. I believe in my ability to create happiness. Upbeat and energetic music plays softly in the background throughout the video.